If you're traveling for Hajj or Umrah, this video is for you. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need, what you don't need, and the mistakes I've seen way too many pilgrims make. And if you want to buy all these essential items for Hajj or Umrah from one place, check the link in our description and get everything you need in one go. So save this video, you'll thank me later. First things first, let's talk about clothes. If you're a brother, do yourself a favor. Bring 2 ihrams, not one. One will get dirty, it just will. And cotton only, please. No synthetic stuff. Saudi heat doesn't care where you're from. Also, an Ihram Belt with pockets. Game changer. Your phone, hotel card, some cash, all safe. And your footwear, quick reminder, open from the top and ankle. If your shoe looks almost okay, it's probably not. Now sisters, loose, breathable abayas are your best friend. Not heavy, not layered, and bring more socks than you think you'll need. Trust me on that one. Now listen carefully. Personal care items. This is where a lot of people mess up. If it has fragrance, leave it at home. Soap, shampoo, deodorant, check everything. Desert air is dry, so lip balm and moisturizer are essential. Just make sure they're unscented. And wet wipes and tissues. Always have them on you. Let's talk about something people seriously underestimate. Your health. You will walk a lot. So bring blister plasters, painkillers, flu medicine. If you take daily medication, keep it in your hand luggage, not checked in. And please, drink water like it's your job. Dehydration takes pilgrims out faster than anything else. Now, the reason you're really there, Ibadah, keep it simple. A small Quran or an app, a Tasbih, a dua list written or saved. Don't bring heavy books. Your heart needs space more than your bag. Quick but important one. Documents, passport, visa, hotel info, make copies, and write your hotel name on paper. Phones die, crowds happen. A small pouch under your ihram can save you from a lot of stress. Here are a few things people don't think about, but absolutely should. A power bank, a small backpack, refillable water bottle, slippers for bathroom trips, small things, huge comfort. Now let me stop you right here. Do not overpack. You don't need 10 outfits. You don't need valuables. You don't need perfume just in case. Makkah teaches simplicity. Let your luggage learn that lesson too. Before I end this, remember, being prepared doesn't make your journey less spiritual. It makes your heart more focused. The Prophet ﷺ said that an accepted Hajj has no reward except Jannah. May Allah accept your journey, your effort, and your du'as. If this video helped you, give it a like. Share it with someone going for Umrah or Hajj, and comment below. Which country are you traveling from? Assalamu alaikum, and may Allah invite us all again.